Welcome to the Broward Health Rewind, your inside look at everything going on here at Broward Health. I'm your host, Derica Orstad. Well, here at Broward Health Coral Springs, a brand new monument is honoring the 17 lives lost in the Marjory Stoneman Douglas shooting of 2018. The statue, designed by artists Stephen Canetto and Judith Spader, was unveiled on March 29th with Broward Health leadership and caregivers present, as well as community members, including former Broward Health nurse Annika Dworet and her husband Mitch. Their son Nick tragically lost his life in the shooting. We had a chance to speak with them at the unveiling. Take a listen.
I think it's good to have a place where all the 17 beautiful angels are represented, and a place to come and reflect and grieve and heal. I never seen in my life so much love this community showed us after this tragedy, and to have that displayed in a sculpture, I think the artists capture that feeling.
To talk about Nick isn't very painful. We don't like what happened to Nick to
Identify him.
Seeing this sculpture, art piece, I can really identify with it because I know Nick always had a heart for so many.
The monument is on display here outside of the emergency department at Broward Health Coral Springs. Stop by to see it if you can. Over at Broward Health North, the system's very first TCAR procedure was performed earlier this month by Dr. Mohammed Abdallah. Formerly known as transcarotid artery revascularization, the minimally invasive procedure is used to treat carotid artery disease and prevent strokes in the future, especially for high-risk surgical patients. It temporarily reverses blood flow away from the brain in order to remove small bits of plaque, which in turn prevents stroke. Thanks to Dr. Abdallah, his patient had a successful surgery and was able to return home the same day. Around 200 participants had some heart-pumping fun on Sunday, March 27th for the 5th annual Afric Family Foundation Spin-a-thon, which took place at the Westin Fort Lauderdale Beach Resort. The event raises money for Broward Health Medical Center's cardiopulmonary rehabilitation program, which helps patients return to their normal lives after a cardiac or pulmonary event, such as a heart attack. This year's Spin-a-thon raised about $44,000, $9,000 more than last year's event. Broward Health interventional cardiologist Dr. Kenneth Zelnick says it's a huge help.
It's a great event to generate interest and excitement for the whole year for our program. Cardiac rehab is the next step in people's care after they've had a heart attack.
Head to our YouTube channel to catch a recap of this year's event and watch some of our very own physicians give it their all on the bike. And speaking of Broward Health physicians, Doctors' Day was celebrated on March 30th as we say thank you to our physicians for their unwavering commitment to the community. Across all of our hospitals, breakfasts and lunches were held honoring our physicians for their hard work and dedication. At Broward Health Medical Center, some games were set up as well, all to celebrate our hardworking doctors. We thank you all for your service. Make sure to say thanks to your doctor when you can. And a little more good news across the system, as all 4 of our hospitals have received a special distinction. They've been designated by the Human Rights Campaign Foundation as LGBTQ+ healthcare equality top performers, as benchmarked by the Healthcare Equality Index. Congratulations to our Broward Health employee family on this accomplishment as you continue to deliver high-quality care to everyone in our community. That's all for this episode of the Broward Health Rewind. For past and future episodes of the Rewind, as well as other health-related content, head to our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.